Hi everyone, Fast Food Toy Hunter here. Today we have Smurf the Lost. Villages released by McDonald's back in the 2017. Let's find out. First we have the Red House with Smurf. Friends, let's find out. It's cool little collectible coin. See all the different, it's butterfly and the flowers. This for coloring, it's very cool. And that's it. It's the Red House. Second, we have mini collectibles. Let's check. First, it's Papa Smurf. It's cool little collectible. And that's it, it's Papa Smurf. Second, it's Smurfit. And this the hair. And look at the flowers, very cool. And that's it, it's Papa Smurf and Smurfette. And that's it, it's the Red House with Papa Smurf and Smurfette. It's very cool. See you next time.